Where'd she go? I can't find her with the stupid camera.
We can take her to veterinary.
Yeah, look at that pretty little hummingbird. Poor thing, I just pulled it out from under the budget truck. It flapped a bit, but she didn't really say much otherwise. She let me pick her right up.
See, she's fine.
Little faker went to go to put her in a donut box to take her to the veterinary services, and she flew away. Well, it was nice to meet you, Faker the hummingbird. I lost sight of her. Where did it go? I don't see her anymore. Stupid sun, I can't see anything. Nope, that's not her. I should be better at naming this, but I'm not. Is that her? I can't tell. Can't even tell if I've got her or not. I can't see anything in this camera.